Heine Plumbing and Water Treatment offers comprehensive plumbing services in Sparta, Sussex County, New Jersey, including repairs, installations, and maintenance with a team of licensed plumbers. With over 30 years of experience, we specialize in resolving all types of plumbing issues and adhere to strict plumbing codes for safe solutions. We provide rapid response to plumbing emergencies, helping mitigate damage and restore plumbing systems quickly to ensure minimal disruption. Heine Plumbing and Water Treatment offers modern solutions including advanced plumbing fixtures and technology upgrades to improve water efficiency and safety. We deliver tailored plumbing solutions for new home installations and renovations, ensuring they meet current standards and regulations.